Hi, Emily. I'm so hungry.
Hi, Vanessa. Me too. Let's look at the menu.
Everything looks so delicious. What do you think you'll order?
I'm thinking of getting the chicken sandwich. What about you?
Hmm, I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll go for the pasta.
Pasta sounds good too. Oh, look, they also have salads if you're in the mood for something lighter.
That's true. I might go for the salad then. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. Do you want to share an appetizer while we decide?
Sure, that's a great idea. How about we get the garlic bread?
Sounds perfect. I'll flag down the waiter to place our order.
Good evening, ladies. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we'd like to start with the garlic bread as an appetizer, please.
Of course. And for your main courses?
I'll have the Caesar salad, please.
I'll have the chicken sandwich with fries, please.
Excellent choices. I'll get that started for you right away.
Thank you. I'm so excited for our meal.
Me too. I'm sure it's going to be delicious.
This salad is so fresh and tasty.
And this chicken sandwich is amazing. I'm glad we decided to come here.
Definitely. We'll have to do this again sometime.
For sure. It's been a great dinner.
Thanks for coming out to eat with me, Emily.
Anytime, Vanessa. Let's plan our next food adventure soon. Table 4-5, please. Water, please. I would like a menu, please. What do you recommend? I'll have chicken sandwich with fries, please. Could I have some bread, please? How much does this cost? Could I have a fork, please? Excuse me, can we order? Do you have vegetarian options? Is the tip included? I'm allergic to peanuts. May I have some more napkins, please? Could I have the bill, please? Is there a restroom? Do you have Wi-Fi? What time do you close? I'd like to make a reservation. Is there outdoor seating? This is delicious, thank you. I need a high chair, please. Is the service charge included? I'm ready to order. Could you repeat that, please? Is this spicy? Could you take our picture, please? Do you have a children's menu? Could I have some ketchup, please? Could I have a to-go box, please? Is there a gluten-free option? Could I have extra sauce, please? How long is the wait? Is there a special of the day? Do you have any desserts? Can I get a refill, please? Is there a minimum order? Is tap water free? Is there any spicy food? Is there a waiting list? Can I customize my order? Can you recommend a dish for kids? Is there a discount for children? Is there a vegetarian version of this? Can I have extra cheese? Can I have my food to go, please? Is this dish spicy? Are reservations necessary? Do you offer any promotions? Can I split the bill? Can I see the dessert menu? Do you have any low-calorie options? Do you offer any dairy-free options? Are there any nuts in this dish? Can I have a side of fries, please? Can I have some more water, please? Do you serve breakfast all day? Can I get this dish without onions? Is there outdoor seating available? Can I get this dish with extra vegetables?